Happy New Year, friends. I believe this year should define one thing for you: clarity of purpose. Are you clear about what you want in life? If I ask you, what is your life purpose? Can you tell me in one word? It doesn't matter if you are the President of the United States, your purpose on earth should be your number one priority. Knowing your purpose is more important than anything else. It doesn't make sense to just keep drifting through life doing the usual things without having much to show for it. It's like a student collecting a report card from school. The report card must show good results to impress her parents. In the same way, your Lord expects a good report card from you, one that shows you fulfilled your purpose, the very reason why you are here. He doesn't want you to return with bad results. He wants good results. So you should take your purpose seriously. I know you have many things in mind that you want to do this year. You plan to turn a new leaf this year. You want to change a few things about your diet, your lifestyle, your activities, your engagements, your commitments, and so on. You really have the intention to change something this year, and that's good. But one thing is probable: you're not sure if you can make all of those changes. From past experience, the story is always the same. You tend to have one or two excuses at the end of the day. So now, what will you do differently? How will you maneuver this challenge and move forward this year? This year is like no other. It's a year of change. There will be massive change and turnarounds, both good and bad. The question is, are you ready for it? Are you ready for all the changes that will happen this year? I want you to make up your mind and decide what you want this year. It's not too late to make any change. It's never too late. Whether you're 70 or 17, change always comes down to a decision, and when you're ready. Whenever you're ready, you can make the change. I encourage you to make the change now, because the only regret you'll have is, had you known, you would have made it earlier. So, it's always best to act now. Taking one step in the right direction is far better than taking 1,000 steps in the wrong direction. So, it's not always about movement, but about moving in the right direction. It's about making progress, which will guarantee success. I encourage you to enter this year with intention. Move with direction and decision, and let this year be a remarkable one for you. I see you stepping into a realm of greatness and unlimited success. Wishing you a happy and prosperous new year. God bless you. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Cheers. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Read next, making 2025 your best year yet. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to BookMinds. Get books on Amazon, Amazon Books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. 2. The perfect gift for Christmas. 3. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 4. Making sense of our strengths. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.